Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos. And first off, I want to show you what I brought to the show. I brought my gold 64 Ford modified stalker here. The 66 Nova Gasser Street Freak. And I also brought the 60 Ford F100, which this one took third place in the model contest with and I received a $50 gift certificate to a Haven Hobby Shop. So that's one part of it. And I know what you guys are going to ask. Doug, what did you buy? What did you buy at the show? So let me pause the video for a minute and I will get to it. So I'll leave these in the background here because they look so cool. And here's the bag I used. And okay, so we got one Earnhardt kit. $5 on that one. And this one is started, but I can use the body on my other Earnhardt kit that was has a bad body. And I could just use this chassis and stuff on other stuff. So got that. And what else I pick up? I picked up this Earnhardt kit right here, which is also started. And this is basically a good builder. I'm gonna definitely build that up and get it on the shelf. As Doug from Right On Replicas says, get this kit and put it on your shelf. That's what I'm gonna do with this one once it's done. It's gonna be put in a display case and then put on my shelf. So that's what I kept asking myself because I was going back and forth about getting another Earnhardt kit off eBay. And what I do, I go to a model show and I get another Earnhardt kit. Well, actually two, but you know. So there's those two I picked up. Let's see what else is in this bag. This is another one I picked up for $10. This is a unbuilt plastic off the box, but $10. And it's that 80s cool car Persona. So kind of has a Miami Vice type Persona right there. Kind of car that every boy in the 80s, I don't know, maybe 70s too, had a poster of this car on their wall. And it was their dream car. I remember having it with car cards. I think there was a book and model set that would come. I think Wheels and Wings it was called. They did a little plastic cutout thing of it that they had one of those in there. So it's one of my dream cars, and hoping I don't wreck the thing if I ever do get to see a real one. So that's that one. This is the Taurus I got. It's a rebuilder. I just got to get some brakes for the back and put some new brakes on the back and put the wheels on. And then replace the axle on the left side. And put the wheel back on. And find some rear wheels for it. That was only 5 right there, so couldn't pass that up. I love my Tauruses. So, or I could always just put it on my lift. Alright, then I picked up this cool Dodge police car. It kind of reminded me of Al Bundy's car from Married with Children, but it's a police car for him. And it looks like it has a good V8 in there. And it just needs I just got to drill out the pegs there, put new pegs on there on the wheels, and put the wheels back on, and bumper and the light is, there it is, right there. So everything's right there, and that was another $5 special. And couldn't pass that one up because it has its flaws, but it'll be good to put in my collection. I mean, it's a unique Mopar Smoky. So this is a Smoky right here. Yeah, Smoky, the Dodge police car. So that's a very cool one, and it's complete. Just got to put wheels back on the bumper. So, that's kind of the cat out of the bag right here of how I did at the show and what I brought home. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, and have a good day, guys. And that's it from Doug's Model Garage's videos, and thanks for watching. All right, bye.